How to get a lean belly quickly with 10 easy ways during a weight loss routine for beginners. 1. Reduce your calorie intake. The most effective way to achieve a lean belly is by cutting down your calorie intake. Focus on consuming nutritious foods that are low in calories. 2. Increase your protein intake. Protein helps to keep you feeling full for longer and can help prevent overeating. Add protein-rich foods to your diet such as lean meats, fish, beans, nuts, and seeds. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help you control your appetite and prevent overeating. Make sure to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. 4. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks are high in calories and can cause belly fat. Avoid drinks such as soda, juice, and energy drinks. 5. Eat plenty of fiber. Fiber-rich foods help to keep you feeling full for longer and can reduce your overall calorie intake. Add foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to your diet. 6. Reduce your stress levels. High stress levels can increase your body's production of cortisol, which can cause belly fat. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises. 7. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise not only helps to burn calories but also helps to tone your muscles and reduce belly fat. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise per day, such as brisk walking, jogging, or cycling. 8. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can cause hormonal imbalances that can lead to weight gain and belly fat. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. 9. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day can help to control your appetite and prevent overeating. 10. Reduce your alcohol intake. Alcoholic beverages are high in calories and can cause belly fat. Limit your alcohol intake and opt for non-alcoholic beverages instead. Thank you for watching, and please click on the link in my bio for more tips on how to lose belly fat fast. Please like, subscribe and click the notification bell for more exciting videos.